Most drivers have no clue these 17 simple moves exist. Some of them quietly stop expensive repairs before they start. Others make everyday driving smoother, safer, and less frustrating. Mechanics see the results of people ignoring them every single day. Here are 17 car tricks you'll wish someone told you years ago. Let's start. Trick 17. You fill your tires to the exact pressure on the door sticker at the gas station. The warning light still stays lit the whole way home. You start second-guessing everything. Most people never learn this. Almost every modern car has a dedicated reset button for the tire pressure system. It's usually tucked under the dash near the steering column or inside the glove box, marked TPM or showing a tire with an exclamation point. After you set the correct pressure, leave the engine running, press and hold that button 3 to 5 seconds until the light flashes and goes out. That tells the computer the new numbers are the baseline. Can't find the button? Your owner's manual lists the exact spot under the tire pressure monitoring section. Drivers leave that light on for weeks thinking the tires are still low. Trick 16. The black plastic trim on your bumpers, mirror housings, and door pillars has turned dull and chalky. Fancy restore products either wash off in days or leave a greasy shine that collects dust. There's a better way. Ordinary silicone spray, the same can you use on door hinges, brings faded exterior plastic back to deep factory black in under a minute per piece. Lightly mist a clean microfiber cloth, never the plastic itself. Wipe with firm overlapping strokes. The color returns instantly because the silicone soaks into the polymer and restores the flexibility ultraviolet light stole. It doesn't attract dirt the way petroleum products do. Wipe away any excess so the surface looks treated, not glossy. Trick 15. Long drive phone needs to stay visible for navigation, and the mount is sitting at home. Wedging it in the cup holder or under the visor fails the second you hit a bump. The pull tab from any aluminum drink can solves it. Snap the tab off, bend the ring 90 degrees from the flat tongue and slide the tongue between the horizontal slats of a dashboard vent. The ring becomes a perfect cradle. Drop the phone in and the angle is naturally right for the driver's seat. Aluminum grips the vent tight enough for highway speeds, heavier phones. Trick 14. Cigarette odor from a previous owner or occasional passenger clings to the cabin no matter how many sprays or shampoos you try. Dry coffee grounds, fresh or used and fully dried, neutralize it at the source. Pack 2 cups loosely into an open container or old ashtray and set it under the driver's seat or in the ashtray itself. The porous structure of the grounds continuously pulls ammonia, tar, and other smoke molecules out of the air. Leave them for 2 to 3 weeks. The smell fades steadily. Swap for fresh grounds every 3 to 4 weeks if needed. Professional smoke odor treatments at detail shops run $200 to $400. This is the same chemistry those shops use. Trick 13. You clean the inside of the windshield with store-bought glass cleaner. 20 minutes later, sunlight hits and the haze and greasy streaks reappear. Commercial formulas leave residue that only shows under certain light. Plain 70% isopropyl alcohol from any pharmacy does better. Lightly mist a microfiber cloth, never the glass itself, and wipe in straight strokes, not circles. The alcohol dissolves the plasticizer film that off-gases from the dashboard and coats the glass. It evaporates completely, leaving zero residue. Trick 12. You're far from the next auto parts store and the air filter is clogged or is shredded inside the box. Driving without one lets debris straight into the engine. One leg of pantyhose stretched across the intake opening filters coarse particles while still allowing enough airflow to keep the engine safe for the next couple hundred miles. Cut the leg off, stretch it over the filter housing opening, and secure the edges with rubber bands or tape. It is not a permanent fix, just enough to reach a real replacement. Some racing teams have used similar fabric filters in dusty conditions for short runs. A tow for an emergency filter can cost $75 to $200. This buys you time for free. Trick 11. You wipe the dash and door panels carefully. Dust settles again within a day or two. Most cloths create static that pulls particles right back. Paper coffee filters, the kind used in drip machines, dust without generating that charge. Wipe firm strokes across every plastic surface. Toss the filter when it's loaded and grab a fresh one. The surface stays neutral. Dust that used to return overnight now takes 5 to 7 days. A $3 pack of 100 filters lasts months. Detailers quietly use this exact method on customer cars because it works. Before we get to the truly jaw-dropping ones, hit that like button. Trick 10. Your dash has 2 trip meters. Most people only use trip A for the current tank. Trip B is the hidden maintenance tracker. Reset it after every oil change so you know exactly when the next one is due. Reset it after a tire rotation. Reset it after any repair so you can watch whether the same problem returns within a set number of miles. Cycle to trip B with the same button that controls trip A, usually on the steering wheel or near the odometer. Hold 3 to 5 seconds to reset. No more guessing, the feature is already built in and costs nothing. A cruise control button most drivers ignore. Trick 9. You set cruise, tap the brake for slower traffic, then have to accelerate all the way back up and press set again. Every modern system has a resume button, usually marked RES or with a forward arrow. After you cancel, press resume and the car accelerates back to the exact speed you last set, even if that was 30 minutes ago. Many vehicles keep the memory after the engine is off. Trick 8. You shut the car off at night, and the driveway goes dark the second the headlights die. Almost every newer vehicle has a built-in delay that keeps the lights on 30 to 90 seconds after you turn the key off. It's usually buried in the settings under exterior lighting, automatic lights, or labeled "Follow me home" or "Coming home." Choose the time that matches your walk to the door. Once set, it works every night with no extra steps. Some cars also light up briefly when you unlock in a dark lot. Aftermarket motion lights cost $40 to $150. Trick 7. The interior goes stale after sitting closed in the sun. Hanging fresheners are either overpowering or fall off and disappear. Fold a fabric softener sheet and tuck one under each front seat against the back wall. Airflow from the climate system and normal movement carries a light sent through the cabin. It's subtle, not concentrated in one spot. The anti-static property also slows dust on nearby surfaces. Replace every 3 to 4 weeks. A $5 box lasts months. Commercial car fresheners cost nearly the same per week and do nothing extra. Trick 6. Rubber weather strips start squeaking, freeze shut in winter, and eventually crack. Full replacement at a body shop runs $200 to $600 per door. A thin coat of petroleum jelly every 3 to 4 months prevents all of it. Clean the seals, wipe a light layer on with a microfiber cloth, and buff off the excess. The jelly replaces oils the rubber loses to heat and sun. Flexibility stays, freezing stops, and the noise disappears. Treated seals can last twice as long as untreated ones. Commercial rubber conditioners sell the same idea for $10 to $20 a bottle. Trick 5. Most people flick the turn signal and immediately start moving. That is how sideswipe crashes happen. Treat the signal as communication, not a formality. Activate it a full 5 seconds before you change lanes or turn. That interval gives surrounding drivers time to see, process, and adjust. Commercial driving schools teach the 5-second rule for a reason. Practice counting 5 full seconds after the click before you steer. It feels long at first, then becomes automatic. The safety difference is immediate and costs nothing. Trick 4. Blades streak or chatter after 6 to 12 months, and most people just replace them. Often the rubber is still good, the edge is simply coated with road film. Once a week, lift each arm, pinch a dry paper towel or microfiber along the rubber edge and wipe the full length. You'll see the grime transfer. Keep wiping until the towel comes clean. Blades that used to last 8 months now go 18 to 24. A $30 to $60 pair of blades lasts more than twice as long with this 1-minute habit. Trick 3. You want the cabin cooler. Your passenger wants it warmer. Most cars built after 2010 already have dual-zone climate control. The sync or dual button on the climate panel unlocks independent temperatures for driver and passenger sides. Press it once so each side can be set differently. Driver at 65, passenger at 72, both get what they want from their own vents. Press again to lock them back together. Retrofitting dual zone on a car that never had it costs $600 to $1,500. Yours is already there, one button press unlocks it. The mirror aim that removes blind spots for free. Trick 2. If you can see the side of your own car in the side mirrors, they are aimed too far inward and large blind spots remain. The correct method is simple. For the driver's side mirror, lean your head against the window and adjust until you just barely see the edge of your vehicle at the inner edge of the mirror. For the passenger side, lean toward the center console and do the same. Now the mirrors show the adjacent lanes instead of your own paint. When a car passes, it moves from the rear view straight into the side mirror with no disappearing gap. It looks strange for a few days. After a week, the safety improvement is obvious. No gadgets required. And the number one habit that ties every other tip together. Trick 1. Most people drop into the seat and drive. 60 to 90 seconds of deliberate setup at the start of every drive prevents discomfort, poor visibility, and small annoyances that add up. Sit down and close the door. Set seat height so hips are level with knees. Slide the seat so your right foot can fully depress the brake with a slight knee bend. Adjust the wheel so arms have a soft bend at 9 and 3, and the top of the rim lines up with the middle of the gauges. Aim both side mirrors using the method in Trick 2. Set the rear view straight through the back window. Choose your preferred temperature and fan. Confirm the headlight delay is on. Glance at the tire pressure light and fuel gauge. Buckle up. After a week, the routine takes 20 seconds and feels automatic. Better posture, zero blind spots, longer lasting wipers, no more temperature arguments, lights that walk you to the door. Every system the engineers put in the car finally works the way it was designed. If any of these made you rethink how you drive, hit like and tell me in the comments which trick you wished you'd known years ago. The next video has more of the same kind of practical knowledge the industry hopes you never learn.